Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala Ubaderu National Vice President ke National People's Party NPP Ubak Prestun Tensong Hakas Nginingkong Ulapen Pau Baka Jing Sngew U Pakam donkam setia ban khot Dorbar nakabenta ka ïatai ya ka reservation policy bat ka roster system. Haba keren cekilat pathai khobor Ubak Prestun ulaong bahaka Jing Sngew U usngo bakam donkam ya ka Dorbar Kyrpang nakabenta ka nikaman Henry uong nakaliang ka sorkar kan siya keren ya ka nikamat tang shuan pai Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Kesangma Shashalong. Ulaong ru ban nakaliang ka sorkar kan sa khot ya ka all party meeting ban ya keren nakabenta ka nikaman. Lakban kedau bagani ka jing dawa Dorbar Kyrpang kala khlut hadian baka high court kami galaya kala ong baka syong haka ying Dorbar thawaan ka jalabat ka sorkar lanu kan penteri kam ya ka roster system haka reservation policy jong ka jala migalaya. Lakban kedau baka high court haba shimbishar ya ka PIL jong u grenet sangma ka ying bishar jong u chief justice Sanjeev Banerjee pat u justice W Dingdo ka ong baka day ka kamram jong ka assembly bat ka sorkar ban yakren bat ïatai halor ka roster system bat om labu kandu kapor ban penteri kam yaka.
I think right now your question is about roster system, right? In view of that ruling of the Honorable High Court, which came out recently, so see from the government, in fact, I don't see any need to have a special session. However, I'm not saying that right now, but see when Chief Minister is back to Shillong, we are planning to have all party meeting. We would like to have MDA meeting, but first of all, we will have this detailed discussion in the cabinet. Then, as I said to you, ultimately we take decision. Maybe we can also call all party meeting where we can share, we discuss everything with all the political parties.
So the court has stated that it is left to the state government on how far back the rooster system.
Well, I think that is a very, very long story. Let me just tell you one thing. We already filed the affidavit for 3 times. And that time, the Honorable High Court says you have to do the rooster system right from 1972, which they clearly said it should be right from the inception of the reservation policy, which means that we have to go back from 1972. But in view of the latest ruling of the Honorable High Court, as I said to you, we will again sit down, we'll discuss in the cabinet, we will discuss in the MDA, and thereafter we can even call the all-party meeting.
We have seen the NGOs also have demanded the government that the rooster system should not be right from 1970.
It should not be retrospective. That is true. Even from the government side, last year, we have already filed affidavit 2-3 times. We requested the Honorable High Court, if possible, let us make it prospective. From the day the ruling came in, we would like to have that roster system also to be in place from that time itself. Okay.
So tell us on the there is also a demand to review the reservation policy.
Well, let us, I think we'll take it one by one. As of now, as I said to you, I think the issue is about roster system. So government has taken note of this, and we will, as I said to you, we will discuss in the cabinet, and then we will discuss with the MDA partners, and as well as, if necessary, we will call the all-party meeting.